Life as a designer isn't complete without the right tools. Every creative professional knows this truth. But for years, we've all been paying heavy monthly fees, an average of around $60 a month, just to keep access to industry-standard software. Some designers search for student discounts. Some find ways to extend trial versions. And others, especially on Windows, even risk using cracked copies, just to keep creating. All of this, just to stay in the game. Because for a long time, the creative world revolved around one name: Adobe. Sure, there have been other tools, free, open source, or lightweight, but none of them truly matched the power, speed, and precision of Adobe's ecosystem. Until now. There's one suite that's been quietly building a reputation among professionals. A set of tools that looked, felt, and performed just like the industry giants, without the price tag. That suite is Affinity. Affinity was developed by Serif, a UK-based company that believed professional tools should be powerful and affordable. For years, Affinity was a one-time purchase. No subscriptions, no limits. Designers loved its speed and flexibility. It became the top choice for professionals looking for freedom from the monthly bill. And then, in 2024, something huge happened. Canva, the company known for making design simple and accessible, acquired Affinity. Many designers wondered what would come next. Would Canva turn Affinity into another subscription? Or would they honor its vision of freedom? The answer came in 2025. Canva announced that Affinity is now completely free for everyone. The same professional tools, full features, no limits, no cost. For the first time in history, world-class design software became truly accessible to all. A graphic designer often works with three core elements: pixels, vectors, and layout. For years, that meant using three different tools: Photoshop for pixels, perfect for image editing and photo manipulation; Illustrator for vectors, the go-to for logos, icons, and illustrations; and InDesign for layouts, building posters, brochures, and print designs. But what if all of that could exist in one single app? That's where the new Affinity changes everything. It combines all three disciplines, photo, designer, and publisher, into one seamless workspace. You can switch between pixel editing, vector drawing, and layout design without ever leaving your project. It supports PSD, PDF, SVG, AI, and more, so you can open and export files from nearly any workflow. And if you use Canva Pro, you can even connect Affinity with AI tools for generative edits, background removal, and smart design features. But even without that, the full app remains completely free. For everyone, forever. This changes everything. No more barriers, no more subscriptions, just pure creative freedom. For the first time, designers everywhere, students, freelancers, studios, can access professional design tools without compromise. This is the start of a new era for creativity. The age of Affinity, powered by Canva, and open to the world. Of course, Adobe isn't going anywhere. It's still the backbone of the design industry, used by major studios, agencies, and creative teams across the world. Adobe's tools are deeply integrated, from Photoshop and Illustrator to After Effects and Premiere Pro, all working together through the Creative Cloud. Their ecosystem is unmatched in scale, with AI features, cloud syncing, fonts, and plugin support that millions rely on every day. So even with Affinity becoming free, Adobe remains the standard in many professional workflows. But what's changing is accessibility. For the first time, new designers can learn, experiment, and grow using free professional-grade tools before ever touching a subscription, and that shift opens doors for creativity everywhere. If you want to begin your creative journey with Affinity, or learn how to design like a pro, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials and insights. And remember, think like a designer, create like a pro.